Yo, what's going on? So let's see. I shorted. I'm averaged in at 1134, down 4 grand, 4,500. I'm looking for a drop, man. As far as my risk level is going to be 1216. I think it is 1216. uh, these tops right here. This top right here. This top right here. We're we're looking at what? Let's blow this up for you guys. Oh, damn. So this top right here, we already busted through, right? Yeah, we already busted through these tops. So this top right here at 1251. I'm not waiting to 1251. This bitch breaks 12. I'm out 1215, 1217, I'm out. Alright, so what's this top right here? Top is 1224. Alright, so let's do 1220. 1220 tomorrow. That bitch hits 1220. I'm out, man. And we'll figure out what we're gonna do next. That's pretty much it. I was like, fuck it, I'm going to. I got off the computer like took a nap for like an hour, and then when I woke up, that thing had spiked 50 cents, 50 cents on me from 11:30. I napped when it was starting to. Yeah, go in. I'll show you. I started napping right here at 14:46, 2:44. I took a nap. I was like, "Fuck this." It came right down to break even for me. I was like, "All right, I'm taking a nap. Fuck it." And then, sure enough, man, that bitch spiked up on me at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, yeah, 3 o'clock. It spiked on me. Yep, 3 o'clock, right on the dot. It spiked on me. Spiked 30 cents. Came down. Where did it come down to? 38 cents to about break even. And then it fucking cranked up. What time is this? Right on schedule. Right on schedule. 30 minutes before closing, the fucking volume cranked up, and it just fucking, it just, it just ripped on me. So from 60 all the way up to, what was this? 12. So 40 cents a share. So total what? 70 cents. It ripped on me. Fucking terrible, man. That was my bad. Like I said, I took a nap. I was like, fuck this. I'm over it. And it got me. So, why is this not? So tomorrow, like I said, I I'm cashing out. What is it? 12, 20, 12, 15, 12, 18. And if it starts to break after 12, I'm just gonna fuck out. It's just plain and simple. Anything over 12, I'm out of here. Low 12s, I'm out. I'm not even fucking with it. Uh, so let's go back and just do a recap of what I did wrong for today. All right, so what's this? A 1 minute chart right here? Yeah. Okay. So right here, we went down here. This is where I fucked up right here when it reversed on me. This is where I fucked up right here, bro. Right here's where I fucked up. I fucked up big time right here when it reversed on me. Once it started doing this trend, started uptrending, I should have got the fuck out. So this is where I jacked up. I was getting a nice downtrend. Made a few thousand. And then it fucking ripped on me. Right here. It ain't really ripped, but you know, it gave you plenty of time to fucking exit out. You know, from 10 to 10:30. What was it? Yeah? Yeah, 10:16, so 15 fucking minutes. I could have been out this bullshit. But instead, I still hung in there and it just sucked away all my profits. So I was up like, I don't remember, maybe 5,000. 5,000. And it just fucking, I just let it ride up, man. It just came right back up on me. And then I kept holding and it just started uptrending like a motherfucker. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I should have got out. But I did. That was a fucking huge uptrend, dude. Jesus. $1.60 fucking cents, dude. $1 fucking 60. Fucking shit. It's just had a nice fucking bounce. Lower highs. Lower highs. Lower highs. Lower highs. Lower highs. Lower highs. Jesus fucking Christ, man. How many more fucking signs do I need? I don't know what the fuck I was doing today. I think what happened was I was so fucking fixated on this one position right here that got totally ate, and I just kept holding and holding and holding and holding and holding, waiting for it to fucking come back down. And this motherfucker did exactly, it gave me all the signals to get out, and I still was trying to fight it. And the signal was right here. It was a clear sign right here. It was, it went from a red day, like yesterday when I made yesterday when I was in, I was shorting. It went from green to red, and it stayed red the whole day. This motherfucker, when this bitch went, if it didn't go red, I should not have been shorting that day, today, because it went green. You know, fucking that's a clear indication to get the fuck out and be going long. You know, so that was my fucking bad. Like I said, I was just trying to fight it to see if it was gonna go my way, and it didn't go my way, and I got burned for it. So, lesson learned. Like I said, I'm out tomorrow at 12, 12:15, 12:10, 12:20. We'll just see what it does. And after hours, it's fucking holding. That bitch is it's holding. DRYS is another stock that I got a position on. I'm positioning at 203, and that motherfucker, man, I was down. I didn't, like I said, I had a small position, nothing serious. So it's not even really worth talking about, but it's on my 401k Roth account, so I ain't not worried about it. But anyways, so I'm in at 203, and this fucker, I was up here. This day is when I got in, and this bitch is fucking. As soon as I got in that day, it tanked on me. This son of a bitch tanked on me like a motherfucker. I was like, look at this shit. So I let it ride out. So what? From 203 to what? Where did it go? 120. Now it's up to fucking. It went up to 203, 202. Right where I fucking bought. Right where the resistance is. Fucking shit, man. So now can we break 203? Can we fucking break 203 already? Fuck me. Let's do it. Break 203, motherfucker. Let's get up. Once we break the 203, we're looking at 368. Oh, wait a minute. Is that right? No, I'm sorry. No, I am not right. This motherfucker right here is some serious resistance right here at 192. Oh, so that's where we are right now, right? 198, 183. Yeah, so this is where we're fucking. This right here is what we're bouncing off of. I'm not worried about this bullshit right here. This is major. This is major resistance right here. This is what I'm looking at. So once we break this motherfucker, we got let's see, 243, and once we break 243, 380. So like I said, I'm not worried about this fucking account, but I just want to throw this in there. But let's go back to Tgtx. Now, let's see where we're at. Let's go to 5 years. 5-year chart. What is this? It's 2014. So 14, we got two tops here. We got a top here at what? 1247. Got another one right here at 1161, which I'm not worried about because we've already passed that. But that'll be good support, right? 1161 is good support. So let's go back. Shit. Alright, so right here we got a top. What is this? This is 1222. Okay. So we got some stuff right here. 1183. What is this? 11. So yeah, we're just gonna watch this tomorrow, see what it does. It's been running pretty good. There's been some volume on this bad boy today. How much volume we had? Oh, come on now. 11 million. So it's fucking running. It's running like a motherfucker. We got some news too, so let's check out the news. News just popped up right with the closing. It said something about a conference call on fourth quarter and year-end 2016 financial results and business update. So that takes place tomorrow at 8:30. 8:30 tomorrow. So I don't know, how it's gonna react, but we'll see how it goes. That's pre-market too, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Pre-market. See if it moves it. See if it does anything. But that's pretty much it. If you want, let's go check out the top percent gainers of the day. Let's use this. Top percent gainers of the day. 71%. That's a nice lick. OCRX. Let's check that bad boy out. OCRX, right? OCRX. Oh wow. Damn, look at that. It went from 62 cents to $1 and some change. $1.20. I mean, what is that? Where did it come from? 55 cents. So $1.50. Yeah, it's $1.30, $1.40. This thing moved to $1.40, and it came right here at the fucking resistance. Question is it gonna crack back down? I can't do anything with it anyways. I can't short on this fucking account. So shorting doesn't mean nothing to me. But if it can break out, that'd be cool. But there's all sorts of resistance here. What is this? 16. There's all this shit. So we got resistance here at 202. 195, 195, 189. There's all sorts of resistance here, man. Shit, there's a whole bunch of shit. He's gonna have to really move something. Let's look at the news. Well, first let's see what it's a low market cap. That's a good sign. I mean, that's good. Low float, that's good. It means this motherfucker can run. Shares, previous shares shorted 298,000. Shares short. Oh, geez, look at that. 657,000 shares short. Oh, man. Motherfuckers are trying to fucking tank this fucking company. Alright. Let's look at the news. What the news talking about? Biotech pharmaceutical stock fall on pricing concerns. Today's research report on therapeutics and array of pharma. Or announced additional encouraging results from its phase 2 stop HE study on IV patients with epileptic. I don't even know how to say that. Let's see. We'll let Siri read it. She reads better than me. Take a closer look at today's ticker. What's that say? Yeah, we'll just let her read it.
New York, NYXS Wire, March 9, 2017. Biotech and pharmaceutical companies were under attack Tuesday after President Trump tweeted, "I am working on a new system where there will be competition in the drug industry. Pricing for the American people will come way down." The iShares Nasdaq Biotechnology Index ETF and the SPDR S&P Biotech ETF posted declines of 1.60% and 1.61% on Tuesday, compared to a decline of 0.29% for the S&P 500 index. The iShares Nasdaq Biotechnology Index ETF and the SPDR S&P Biotech ETF have seen gains of 12.16% and 19.3%, respectively, year-to-date. Register today for a free membership and gain access to daily research reports at rdinvesting.com. The Trump administration has for the most part been beneficial for the biotech industry in 2017 as President Trump has pledged to speed up the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's drug approval process by slashing regulations. "We certainly lack the understanding of what he wants to do," said Levant Leader, healthcare portfolio manager for E-Squared Asset Management. "He keeps making conflicting statements. It's hard to really pin him down." Let's take a closer look at today's trending tickers. Osira Therapeutics shares soared 84.87% to close at $1.10 a share on Wednesday. The stock traded between $0.77 and $1.15 on volume of 30.77 million shares traded. On March 8, the company reported additional encouraging results from its Phase 2b STOP study of intravenous OCR002 in hospitalized patients with hepatic encephalopathy, HE, at the Cowen and Company 37th Annual Healthcare Conference. Shares of Osira Therapeutics have fallen approximately 47.62% year-to-date. Further analysis of the data from our STOP trial confirms that OCR002 rapidly and safely lowered ammonia and, importantly, the ammonia reduction correlated statistically with clinical improvement, said Linda Grace, MD, Chief Executive Officer of Osira. "With greater confidence, we believe the most relevant efficacy considerations likely include earlier timing of drug administration, measuring efficacy sooner after drug administration, and administering the appropriate and tolerable dose regimen of OCR002. We look forward to discussing these data as well as Phase 3 development with FDA later this year." Access today's Osira research report at https://ub.ardinvesting.com/news/?? Ticker equals OCRX. Array Biopharma shares declined 0.04% to close at $11.62 a share on Wednesday. The stock traded between $11.51 and $12.15 on volume 4.72 million shares traded. Array currently has 7 registration studies advancing related to 6 cancer drugs: binimetinib, MEC-162, encorafenib, LGX-818, selumetinib, partnered with AstraZeneca, tenofovir, partnered with Roche, larotrectinib, partnered with Loxo Oncology, etacatinib, partnered with Cascadian Therapeutics. Shares of Array Biopharma have gained approximately 32.2% year-to-date. We were pleased to report that Columbus met its primary endpoint and demonstrated a robust PFS benefit associated with the combination of binimetinib plus encorafenib versus vemurafenib in patients with BRAF mutant melanoma, said Ron Squarer, Chief Executive Officer of Array Biopharma. Following a pre-NDA meeting with the FDA, we expect to file an NDA for Columbus in June or July.
Well, damn. Trump's doing his thing, so keep doing your thing, Trump, because he's definitely spiking everything up, which is a good thing. He's opened up the doors for these companies without the regulations for these companies that they had to go through those loopholes that would take years to get approved, and sometimes the process going through those regulation processes for years don't even get approved. And it's just a fucking, he's cutting that shit, like, to where it's like, if you're trying to open up a business, or you're trying to, like, those car companies are trying to open up, what is it, the companies here, so they can build the cars, the warehouses, the factories. The reason why they supposedly not building factories here anymore is, for one, because of regulations. They had too many regulations. It would take years to get approved, and then once they go through the process, it wasn't even 100% they would get approved. So that's why they supposedly, shipped out all the whole factory, all the factories over to Asia. And obviously the wages in Asia, that's the reason why they did it, is because the wages in Asia are nowhere near the wages here in the US. They're paying fuckers, what, like $5, $25 a month over there. Shit, over here you got to pay these motherfuckers, what, what are we gonna say, about $3,000 a month, so it's a huge difference. Paying a motherfucker $100 a month, $200 a month, compared to, $2,000-$3,000 a month. That's a huge difference. But anyways, all right, man, I'm gonna cut this motherfucking video short. Let's see how it goes in the morning.